What's up, guys, and welcome to your Bitcoin update. This is going to be a good one. Make sure you stick around for the whole thing. I do want to remind you guys we have a free Discord group in the description below the video. There's a link. Definitely check it out along with the other affiliate links. And don't forget, we do a Ledger Nano S hard wallet giveaway every Monday. All you have to do to enter to win is scroll down, subscribe to the channel, smash that thumbs up, and leave your comment. That will get you entered to win. And please share the video, help get it out there if you would. All right, let's take a look at, this is the wick-off method, or the wick-off distribution that we've been talking about for quite some time. Also, guys, there's another chart I want to show you guys at the end of the video comparing Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, showing you that Litecoin and Ethereum could be in for a pretty big drop soon. So make sure you stick around for that. But anyways, as you can see, this wick-off method, or this wick-off distribution, seems to be playing out beautifully. As of right now, everything is looking good. Could we see 29,000 by June? I do believe that's a possibility, and I'm going to show you why. Don't forget, we're going to look at the bullish case scenario too for all you bulls out there. If we can get 41.6 to hold, it could remain bullish. Otherwise, 29,000 is in the cards, in my opinion. But anyways, as you can see, it does look like phase E is playing out here. And we talked about this bouncing around in between these two. This is the line I drew from back in March. But anyways, another break of this 42.8. I think we go test that 41.6 area. If that breaks, guys, I think Bitcoin's in pretty big trouble. And the reason I came up with the 29 is if you go off of these wicks here, you can see this trend line I put right across the top. If we take a measured move from here at the head of it, and bring it down, that gets us to the $29,000 area, which would be phase E of distribution. But guys, if these lows break over here, you know, we could get a bounce here. And let me show you one more thing. Let's do this. Put a line right across here. I'm going to actually make that bigger and white so you guys can see it. As you can see, this line right here, if we were to do something like this, and this is speculation, but this being a left shoulder, this whole thing being a head, and this being a right shoulder, back up to test these levels again once we bounce off the 29 area. Again, this is just pure speculation, but that is definitely a possibility, guys. Obviously, it's not going to play out and go to zero, but just something to watch for if we do break this. I will show you the lower targets also. Let's get into the lower targets. All right, so looking at this as a wave 3 of wave 3, this being 4 and we have 5 up. We talked about this being an ABC possibility. That 41.6 is the area to hold. If this does not hold, I'll show you the bearish case after this. But in the bullish case, if this is to hold up here for the next week or so, we could be going up for one more fifth wave to the 72 to 77,000 range. That is the bullish case scenario, guys. Let's take a look at the bearish case. So looking at the bearish case, instead of this being an ABC, this could be a 1, 2, 3 coming down. And if that's the case, wave 3 is around the 30,500 is the measured. If we take the Fibonacci retracements or extension, I'm not going to do that in this video, but that would put wave 3 down here to that 29 to 30,000 range. Then we might get a wave 4 up to 41 to the 46 range, and then wave 5 coming down to wave 23. Now that makes this extremely bearish in my opinion, because this would be wave A, which, like I said, around June, towards the maybe middle end of June. No way to really tell exactly where. And again, guys, this will bounce around for a little bit, but if this does happen, look for a nice bounce in June. Might be a good time to long for another a wave B. Now the wave B should go like a ABC. Maybe we'll get up to the 41, back down to the 30, and then back up to maybe the 51, 52,000 range. That'd be sometime in August. And then C being the C wave down to possibly around the 9,500 range, and I'll show you why also. Let's take a look at PrimeXBT. Don't forget to check out PrimeXBT if you are interested in trading where you can make money whether Bitcoin goes up or down. Definitely check it out. I'll leave a tutorial up top on how to use their margin and how to use the copy trading on their site. Also, if you use my promo code SAVY50, that'll get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit as a bonus to use towards your margin. So if you put in 1 Bitcoin, you get half a Bitcoin bonus to use towards your margin. Savvy25 will get you 25% off your fees. And just by using my link below, you get another $200 bonus on top of it. All right, so let's take a look at, this is the BLX chart. As you can see, we've had the cycle tops here. I don't know why I left this on here, but anyways, if we look at this, you can see the arc on the bottom could be around that $95,000 range. I have many more things pointing to that possibility. Also, the NVT is looking pretty damn bearish right now. So these are some areas to look for a bounce. As you can see, this is the VPVR. Look at this high volume node down here around 95,000, 94,000, 95,000. But it's like I said, it's speculation. It's not saying we have to go down there, but there is a damn good possibility that we do go down there. We broke so we drew a Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to the swing high up here. We have broken the 0.236. Our next level of support would be the 41.6, which is the 0.382 fib. And like I said, if that does break, that's lining up with our 200 EMA. If we lose this 200 EMA, most likely coming on down, we do have a target at 40,000. Looking at this as a bear flag. You know, we may get to 40, bounce back up, test that 42 area again, come back down. We'll see what happens, but 34.3, about 34,350 is our 0.5 fib. Do we get a bounce there? We'll see. It will hold if we do get down to this area. This should get a bounce. All these fib levels should get nice bounces. But the golden pocket zone's around 26. And then, of course, 0.786 is around 16.9. And then, like we said, the 9,500 is definitely a possibility with this high volume node here. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, smash the likes, take a second out and do that. I know a lot of people always forget. But anyways, this is what I wanted to show you. This is the Bitcoin chart on the daily. As you can see, we came down, tested our 200 EMA. We have gotten a bounce, but will it hold? We'll see. I don't think it's gonna, but you never know. Anyways, and if we look at Ethereum, if it does come back down to test Ethereum, the 200 EMA, Ethereum could be looking around 1,800, somewhere in that area. And Litecoin, if it's to test its 200 EMA, it's going to be around $190 to $200. We could be seeing that. A lot of times they do follow Bitcoin. So if that's the case, it does look like they topped out, as you can see on the EMAs here. If you guys want to check out my EMA strategy, check it out. I will leave it up top. There's some other tutorials in there also. Just quick, short tutorials. Might help you out if you want to get into trading. But anyways, like I said, watch for a possible $180 to $200 Litecoin, $1,750 to $1,800 Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Let's see if it can hold this. If it loses 40 is my next target. After that, $34,000 to $35,000 range. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Don't forget to check out my wife's webpage, inkyourimage.com. She has a lot of cool stuff on here. It's quality stuff, a lot of good gift ideas. Also, she has a crypto section in there. And for those of you new to trading, that I know a lot of people have difficulty with divergence, you can get a mouse pad. She does make these that shows all the bearish and bullish divergence and how to see it. Also, she can do ones with formations or whatnot. Anyways, thought I'd throw that out there for you guys. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the CryptoSavvy logo above my head. Smash the likes, leave your comments below, and share the video if you would. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching, and trade safe.